Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix File Explorer please sign error in Windows 11. First method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Restart Windows Explorer. Second method is open File Explorer. Click three dots, click Options. Uncheck Show File from Office.com. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Security. Click Quick Scan. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. Click Uninstall Updates, uninstall recently updates. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.